So hello everyone. My name is Raj Poddar, and I have currently completed my masters from JIS College of Engineering, and I have a strong passion for AI and machine learning and software development. I enjoy working on projects that involve data-driven decision making and optimization and automation. I have uh, hands-on experience in Python, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. I have a proficient. I am proficient in frameworks like Scikit-Learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. I have also worked in data preprocessing, feature engineering, and cloud computing, such as AWS and Google Cloud. My skills are also extended in web development using Node.js. I have strong understanding of cybersecurity and DevOps practices. Through my journey, I have worked on various projects like dairy management system that I have created in my college days. Uh, I have also created an AI-powered optimization model that integrates PSO, that is particles of optimization and genetic algorithm. Using random forest, I have completed certifications in cybersecurity, AI for business, analytics that strengthens my core. I'm eager to contribute to the project that involves AI and research, predictive analytics, automation. My goal is to work in a dynamic environment where I can apply my knowledge and learn from experienced professionals and develop innovative AI-driven solutions that create an impact. So thank you, and this is all for my video essay or intro. Bye.